Welcome to this video on the fabric receiving process. This standard operating procedure covers the vital steps for verifying, inspecting, documenting, and storing incoming fabric materials in a garment manufacturing facility. This process ensures all materials are correctly verified and tracked. A standardized system is essential to minimize quality risks, manage inventory accurately, and prevent production claims related to fabric issues. This procedure applies to various fabric types including knit, woven, dyed, printed, and greige fabrics. Multiple departments, including the warehouse, quality assurance, merchandising, and the cutting department, are involved in maintaining these standards. The receiving workflow is a strictly governed process. It begins when the supplier's vehicle arrives, followed by document verification, security checks, and finally, the unloading, counting, and tagging of the fabric rolls. Our core objectives are to maintain PO and color accuracy, ensure exact quantity verification against packing lists, and enforce strict traceability through the FIFO or first-in, first-out inventory method. Roles and responsibilities are clearly defined. The warehouse manager oversees operations, the QA inspector manages quality, the data operator handles ERP records, and security verifies all vehicle entries. We maintain strict standards for our receiving environment and identification processes. Any deviations in lighting, humidity, temperature, floor cleanliness, or labeling must be reported to the warehouse manager immediately. Steps 1 and 2 focus on security and documentation. This includes verifying the vehicle and seal, checking the delivery challan, and ensuring that all required paperwork, such as invoices and PO copies, are in order. Steps 3 and 4 cover unloading and physical counting. Use proper equipment to avoid damage, and ensure the actual roll count matches the packing list. Any discrepancies must be documented in the register. Step 5 details barcode and roll identification. Each roll requires comprehensive information, including the PO number, lot, and length. Barcode labels must be water-resistant and 100% readable, as accuracy here is a critical control point. Steps 6 and 7 involve visual inspection and shade segregation. We check for damage, stains, and contamination. Segregating by lot and die batch is crucial to preventing expensive shade variation claims. Steps 8 through 10 complete the process. This includes real-time ERP entries, proper warehouse allocation based on FIFO and shade grouping, and transferring approved rolls into the designated inspection queue. To summarize, our key control points include 100% accuracy in PO verification, mandatory roll traceability, readable barcodes, strict FIFO compliance, and real-time ERP updates. Any damaged rolls must be quarantined immediately. Finally, be aware of common defects categorized as quality, quantity, or documentation issues. Understanding these categories allows inspectors to apply the corrective actions and protocols effectively. Lastly, ensure all storage standards are met, such as stacking height and climate control. These requirements, combined with consistent FIFO management via tags and scanning, are vital to our inventory health. This video details the ERP receiving system. Note that every field shown, including roll ID, PO number, supplier, color, GSM, width, warehouse location, and inspection status, is mandatory. Real-time updates are a critical control point for our inventory management. Proactive risk management is essential. By addressing potential issues like mixed lots, missing labels, and ERP delays at the receiving stage, we prevent costly production failures in cutting and sewing, ensuring the highest quality for our finished goods. To maintain operational excellence, avoid common mistakes like accepting rolls without verification or delaying ERP entries. Follow our best practices, including barcode-based tracking, real-time updates, and consistent use of a dedicated inspection zone. Accurate documentation is required at every step. Key forms include the fabric receiving report, the delivery verification form, and the fabric roll register. Additional mandatory documents include the discrepancy report and the daily receiving summary. Visualizing these standards ensures consistency. From safe unloading processes using proper personal protective equipment, to applying barcode-based identification at the point of receipt and maintaining clear shade segregation, these practices define our facility's standards. Effective inspection and storage are also captured here. Initial visual checks for defects, immediate real-time ERP entries, and a structured FIFO-based warehouse rack system, complete with clear numbering, ensure our inventory remains accurate and accessible. We utilize specific training and audit checklists to verify adherence to our SOPs. These cover everything from barcode handling and defect identification to ensuring FIFO compliance and maintaining accurate document records. Finally, team competency is evaluated through both MCQ-based assessments and practical mock receiving sessions. These measures, combined with annual reviews, ensure our staff maintains the advanced skills necessary to manage our inventory and traceability controls effectively.